What if I told you that by this time next year, the AI landscape will be completely unrecognizable? The large language models that dominate today will be replaced by a new generation of AI that's smarter, faster, and more capable than anything we've seen before. Welcome to AI Insights. As we approach November 2025, we're standing at the edge of a massive shift in artificial intelligence. The LLM revolution is accelerating faster than anyone predicted, and today we're going to reveal the 5 models that will absolutely dominate 2026. Absolutely dominate. These aren't just incremental updates. They represent fundamental breakthroughs in how AI understands and interacts with our world. Let's start with number 5, DeepMind's Gemini Ultra 2.0. Now, you might be thinking, Gemini? That's already here. But what's coming in early 2026 is something entirely different. DeepMind has been quietly working on what they call reasoning chains, the ability for AI to not just generate text, but to actually work through complex problems step by step, showing its work like a human expert would. This isn't just about better answers. It's about verifiable, transparent reasoning that you can actually trust. We're seeing early demos where Gemini Ultra 2.0 can solve graduate-level physics problems while explaining every step of the process. The implications for education, research, and professional services are enormous. Coming in at number 4 is Anthropic's Claude Next. Now, Anthropic has always focused on AI safety and constitutional principles, but Claude Next represents their biggest leap forward in capability, while maintaining those safety standards. What makes Claude Next special is its context window. We're talking about the ability to process and understand documents equivalent to entire book series in a single conversation. But more importantly, Claude Next demonstrates what researchers are calling conceptual persistence. The ability to maintain complex concepts across extremely long conversations without losing coherence. This means you could have a week-long conversation about writing a novel, and the AI would remember character development, plot points, and thematic elements from days earlier. At number 3, we have Microsoft's ORCA 3. Now, this one is particularly interesting because it represents a shift in strategy. Instead of building ever larger models, Microsoft is focusing on what they call specialized intelligence, models that are smaller, faster, and hyper-specialized for specific domains. Orca 3 isn't one model. It's actually a family of models that can dynamically collaborate. Dynamically collaborate. Imagine having a medical AI, legal AI, and engineering AI all working together on a complex problem, each bringing their specialized knowledge. The efficiency gains here are staggering. We're looking at response times under 100 milliseconds for most queries, while maintaining expert-level knowledge in multiple domains. Our number 2 pick might surprise you. Meta's Llama 4. Now, Meta has been playing catch-up in the LLM space, but Llama 4 represents their breakthrough moment. The key innovation here is what they're calling multimodal embodiment, the ability for AI to not just understand text and images, but to actually learn from physical interactions with the world. Meta has been feeding their models data from thousands of robotic systems, allowing the AI to develop what amounts to common sense about how the physical world works. This means Llama 4 will be able to understand concepts like heavy, fragile, or hot, not just as abstract ideas, but as physical properties with real-world consequences. And finally, at number 1, OpenAI's GPT-5. Now, I know there's been a lot of speculation about GPT-5, but what we're learning from industry insiders suggests this will be more than just another iteration. GPT-5 represents what OpenAI is calling general reasoning, the ability to apply knowledge across completely unrelated domains in ways that look genuinely creative. Early testers report that GPT-5 can take insights from biology and apply them to business strategy, or use principles from music theory to solve engineering problems. But the real game changer is what they're calling proactive learning, the ability for the model to identify gaps in its own knowledge and seek out information to fill those gaps. This isn't just a smarter chatbot. It's the beginning of AI that can truly teach itself. If this glimpse into the future of AI has you excited, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to AI Insights. We're covering these developments as they happen, and you won't want to miss our deep dive into how these models will change your industry specifically. Let us know in the comments which of these AI breakthroughs you're most excited about, and what field you think will be most transformed by these advances. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the future of artificial intelligence. The next year is going to be absolutely transformative, and we'll be here to guide you through every breakthrough. In our next video, we're exploring how these new AI models will completely reshape education and remote work by 2026. You won't want to miss it. Until then, keep learning and stay curious.